Amid the National Assembly members' rejection of the Diaspora voting rights, the Gambia participates, a prominent non-profitable organization, in collaboration with the Election Watch Committee. Edward Francis Wall Center for Rights and Justice concerned Gambians in home and diaspora held a press conference on Wednesday, March 19, at its office in Kololi as they seek to include diaspora voting ahead of the 2026 election. The event was convened in support of the Gambia's diaspora participation in future elections, following the National Assembly's rejection of the act that would have granted voting rights to Gambians living abroad. The organization's executives have termed the National Assembly's decision unconstitutional, urging the Independent Electoral Commission to take proactive steps towards ensuring that diaspora citizens can exercise their voting rights.
Section 141 clearly states that the IEC may make rules to ensure the people in diaspora can vote in the presidential elections. So there is no doubt that the law of the land, as it stands, as confirmed by the Supreme Court case of Bakari Bunja Dabo, Coach Samba Jau, and others against the IEC, the Attorney General and the IEC, the Supreme Court affirmed with clarity that all Gambians living in the Gambia, outside the Gambia, have a right to be registered and vote in all national elections.
At the press conference, the executive director of the Gambia Participate reads a detailed position paper outlining the organization's stance on the matter.
Excluding diaspora voters undermines democratic participation, human rights principles, and the rule of law as affirmed by the Supreme Court of the Gambia. Our call to action to members of the Parliament. Number one is to reintroduce Clause 14 with minor adjustments. To ensure IEC discretion in consulting with Cabinet and the Inter-Party Committee, which must not be a legal obligation upon the election management body. 2. Maintain presidential election and referenda. Keep within bounds diaspora voting to presidential election and referenda for now.
The executive director also took the floor to explain the steps the organization will be taking in addressing the issue of diaspora voting.
Engage parliamentarians virtually, that's what we can do right now, because they're already in session. We cannot convene them and have a conversation on this, but we're going to be sending this to parliamentarians. Obviously, we're also going to put it on our websites, share the link with them, but at the same time as well, we will have the FAQ ready, right, for parliamentarians as well.
The organization also voiced its concern over the legality of the National Assembly's decision, urging that it be revisited in the light of constitutional guarantees for equal rights to all citizens, regardless of their location. Reporting for N24 News, I am Basiruka.